Never be lacking in zeal, but keep your spiritual favor, serving the Lord. Romans chapter 12, verses 11. Hello, beautiful family. A very warm welcome back to the Lovey Starch Food channel. Thank you so much for coming back. Welcome to day 7 of the Vlogmas series 2023. We are going to be making this delicious and creamy coleslaw. It is simply some cabbage salad in a creamy sauce. And definitely this coleslaw salad should be present on your holiday table, so please save it for all your holiday menus and your special occasions because it's absolutely insanely delicious. So here are the very few ingredients you need for this recipe. You need your cabbage, carrots, red onions, mayonnaise, some tomato ketchup, some white vinegar, salt and black pepper. Very simple ingredient right now. So what I'm going to do, I'll also list each and every ingredient and its right quantity below, so please do well to check it out. So to begin with, I like to take off the first layer of my cabbage. It actually always comes very dirty. I'm going to take that out and I'm going to cut them into very fine and thin sizes. Okay, if you're enjoying the recipe already, please be sure to give me a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow, and also kindly share to a few friends and family as well. Okay, so this is exactly how I like to chop mine. You may learn to chop it this way or chop it in any way that you prefer. You may also use your chopper or food processor. Helps accelerate everything very fast. All right, so go ahead, chop it into nice, fine and thin forms like this. And once you're done, put everything in a bowl. Add in about 1 cup of cold water. Wash it very well. And to that water, you may go ahead and add about a tablespoon of your white vinegar. The vinegar here helps to kill each and every bacteria in this cabbage and also serve as preservative. If you want to keep your coleslaw for a much longer time, it will not go bad just because you added vinegar at this stage. And also add your salt here. Make sure you stir everything together and allow it to sit for about 5 to 7 minutes. Okay, so while waiting, go ahead and do your other choppings. I'm doing my red onions, and to make this less stronger in your mouth, I mean the aroma of the onions can be very strong, so put in a bit of salt in your cold water and allow that to sit for about 2 minutes as well, while you go ahead and grate your carrots. Okay, very easy. So once I'm done grating and chopping everything, I'll go ahead and spin the excess water off my cabbage. It is very important. This way your coleslaw will not end up being runny. It is a no. Okay, do this. You need a salad spinner for this. Look at the excess water I got from it. So once I'm done spinning it off, I'll go ahead and put it back in the bowl and add all my other ingredients here. I'm going to begin with the onions, then comes the carrots. I'll go ahead and mix everything together. Now we've already seasoned both the onions and the cabbage with salt already, so you do not need extra salt here. Okay, but what I love to season it more with is my salad dressing and some black pepper for that heat and kick. It is absolutely amazing. If you don't have the exact salad dressing, you may go ahead and use a little bit of dried basil leaves or parsley. Make sure you chop it very finely and then add your favorite seasoning. That's it. Add it here and you're good to go. Make sure you stir everything together and then add your tomato ketchup. I have a recipe of that here already, and also your mayo goes in at this point. The homemade mayonnaise is the best for this recipe, so I have already shared the recipe. I'm going to link it here and below. So now we have all our ingredients in the bowl, so you go ahead and stir it gently and make sure everything is very well combined. That's it, fam. You may go ahead and serve with all your nice rice recipes and it will be good to go. Everyone on the holiday table is going to absolutely love this salad. It is crunchy, it has a bit of heat, everything in between is so good. If you follow this step-by-step recipe of this coleslaw, you can have it in your fridge for up to a week. It won't go bad. It's not going to be runny. I have some still left in the fridge, and I absolutely love it. You may also pair this with your bread, make it a sandwich. It is absolutely delicious. So there you have it, family. I am so excited that you watch right to the end, and I hope you take in something home. You learn a thing or two. That's always my greatest goal on this channel. So please be sure to give me a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. Share to a few friends and family as well. And if this is your first time here, hello, my name is Lovia from Lovey's Touch. My main goal here is to cheer you up into making your own delicious meal right at the comfort of your home. I also love to share kitchen related motivational videos, so please come on board and subscribe to join the family for amazing new recipes every week. Thank you so very much, family, for watching once again. And as always, know that you are so beautiful just the way you are. I will see you in my next one. Have a blessed and happy holidays.